Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2019 Subaru Legacy. The non-LED headlights, such as the headlight, high beam, and front turn signal, are accessible by simply reaching behind the bulb housing. No tools nor parts removals will be required to change these bulbs. The brake fluid reservoir is in the back of the driver's side of the engine bay. The level markers are easily visible on the side of the reservoir, and you won't have to make a long reach when removing the cap to add fluid. The spare tire and jack kit are both packaged beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick removal and easy setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The non-LED taillights are rather difficult to access. You will need a rivet popper to help you disengage and pry back various portions of trunk lining before you can reach the bulbs, which will be a rather time-consuming procedure. To access the petcock, you must work upside down while underneath the vehicle to remove a large panel first. This will be an awkward position to work in, and the panel will be bulky and cumbersome to remove. You must use a panel puller to pry up a securing tab before you can remove the wiper blades from their wiper arms. This will hamper any potential blade change procedures. Overall, the 2019 Subaru Legacy is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain, but prospective owners should still be prepared for some convoluted procedures.